Everyone is buying the Kodak PIXPRO FZ55 because it's trending. But what if I told you this forgotten Canon from 2010 is actually more capable? This is the Canon PowerShot SX210 IS. It has a CCD sensor, a massive 14 times optical zoom, full manual controls, and optical image stabilization. Today, I'll show you what makes this camera special, and the end, we'll do a quick photo comparison against Kodak PIXPRO FZ55.
Package got the features. If you wanna drive the boat, I can teach ya. Stay weight, that's all I mean, ya. All I know is get a cream on a daily. Me and my team, we be going crazy.
What's up guys, this is Rapi Samstil. Today we're looking at the compact camera that I think deserve a lot more attention. The Canon PowerShot SX210 IS. While everyone is talking about the Kodak FZ55, I wanted to see if this older Canon can still compete in 2026. As always, I don't chase trends, I use what works.
Moving shicey, swiping all day 'cause I gotta stay icy. I like everything top tier 'cause I'm top tier. Future looking bright, shine bright.
The first thing I notice is how premium this camera feels. Even today, the rose gold finish still looks elegant. Unlike many budget compact cameras, this one feels solid in the hand. The highlight of this camera is definitely the lens. It has 14 times optical zoom, equivalent to 28 to 392mm, which is almost 3 times the reach of the Kodak PIXPRO FZ55 with 28 to 140 plus 5 times zoom. If you like taking photos of mountains, wildlife, street scenes, and objects that are far away, this Canon gives you much more flexibility. This isn't just a basic point-and-shoot camera. Canon include the program, aperture priority, shutter priority, and full manual mode. And sometimes I really appreciate because it gives you creative controls instead of letting the camera decide everything. Another reason many people still buy this camera is the 14.4 megapixel CCD sensor. A lot of photographers enjoy the rendering from older CCD cameras from daylight photos and flash photography. Of course, the final look still depends on the lighting and exposure, but this is a part of the charm of older Canon PowerShot cameras. I'll show you some sample photos in daylight, portraits, zoom shots, flash photos, and a few close-up. You can judge for yourself if this is kind of image quality you're looking for. Before we finish, let's do a quick comparison with the Kodak PIXPRO FZ55. I'm using the same scene with both cameras. Canon SX210 IS have 14 times X optical zoom with a 28 to 392mm equivalent, CCD sensor, optical image stabilization, and manual shooting modes. The Kodak FZ55 can do 5 times optical zoom, 28 to 140mm equivalent, newer CMOS sensor, much smaller and lighter, Full HD 1080p video. if portability is your #1 priority, the Kodak FZ55 is still a great option. But if your priority is photography, zoom range, manual controls, and getting a more features-packed compact camera, I honestly think the Canon PowerShot SX210 IS offers much more. After spending time with the Canon PowerShot SX210 IS, I understand why some photographers are still looking for it today. It isn't perfect, it's older, it's bigger, and it only records 720p video. But for photography, this camera still has a lot to offer. The 14x zoom is fantastic, the manual controls make shooting more enjoyable, and it still delivers the classic Canon power camera experience. For me, this is one of those forgotten cameras that absolutely worth checking out if you won't find one in good condition. And before we end this video guys, I want to share something special. As someone who loves cameras, photography, and filmmaking, I'm starting a new journey in one of the most beautiful islands in the Philippines. Introducing Siquijor Camera House, a camera rental service made for travelers, vloggers, and creators visiting Siquijor. Soon you can rent cameras, lenses, and creator tools, from simple travel cameras, vlogging setup, up to cinematic creator packages. So even if you travel without bringing your own gear, you can still capture amazing memories, because when you visit a beautiful place like Siquijor, don't just explore the island. Capture your story. Our rental service is coming soon, so please support us by liking and following our official Facebook page, Siquijor Camera House. Be part of our journey from the beginning. Rent, shoot, and explore.
The ground beneath my feet keeps.
If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe, because we'll continue testing classic cameras like this and see if they're still worth using today. I am Rapi Sam Still. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Inside.